Hi, everyone, welcome back to Dr. KK's channel. Today we will see what Rackspace is, a cloud service provider.
We shall start the Rackspace. So Rackspace Cloud. Rackspace Cloud. So it is a part of the Rackspace where it is popular in the cloud computing market. So what this Rackspace cloud provider people are offering? So these people are offering a infrastructure as a services, especially for the large number of enterprises. Apart from that, this is a one mark question in MCQ. They may ask you, how many cloud computing solution does the Rackspace offer? 3. What are they? We are going to see about the cloud servers Rackspace, cloud files Rackspace, cloud sites Rackspace. So what these people are offering? Cloud servers, what they are offering. So they are very trustworthy and robust, and they are dynamic scaling, and this cloud files they are elastic, where they are providing a online file storage and content delivery. Not only that, this cloud servers are implemented in the infrastructure as a services, where they are providing a virtual machines, and they are executing or implemented in the cloud server system. This virtual machines are configured with a various amount of capacities, not only a particular capacity. One may be in a 8 GB, another may be in a 16, another may be in a 6 GB. So likewise, with the different capacities, these virtual machines are configured. So here not only that, they come with the different images and different hardware configurations to this particular server. Okay, these people will have the unique combinations of disk space. Not only that, they will have a different memory capacity, and along with the particular priority of the CPU time. Okay, here these are all the introductions about the Rackspace. So apart from that, what these people are providing and what kind of operating systems also they are providing, we shall see now. So here, these people are providing a particular image collections now. So what we can do now, they are offering an online file storage. So here what we will do, we will create and we will rebuild the server. What for? To store the various category of file in the online file storage with the help of the Rackspace cloud provider. Okay, here we pre-build the operating systems. Okay, na? So with the 64-bit Linux distributions. So what are all the various operating systems? It can have the rebuilt OS, na? Ubuntu, Debian, Gentoo, CentOS, Fedora, Arc, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, so on so. Okay, so not only that, window based operating systems is also provided by these people. So what they are doing now, they are customizing this according to the user choice. Okay, so what for now? To create the various customized images. And apart from that, these cloud servers, they are virtualized using a hypervisors. So using a hypervisors for what? For these particular operating systems, Linux and Zen server for Windows. Okay, so after creating this virtual machines, they are generated with the variable sizes. Okay, variable sizes and with a variable amount of memory. Okay, so here at present this Rackspace cloud provider, they are providing this memory varying from 250 MB to 15.5 GB. Okay, so with the help of this, what they can do now, the customer can produce the online file storage and they can store this image files. Okay, here not only that, so here whatever the availability of extra power of CPU and Rackspace cloud, what they are doing now, they are providing a extra processing power. What for now? To balance the workload. So whatever the workload is or resources is requested by the customer, it should be in a balanced manner. So to balance that and to have a free of cost, these availability of extra CPU powers are available in the Rackspace cloud provider. So apart from that, these people are providing the various schedules for backup with the when we are creating the server images, we'll be creating a server images na. At that time, these people are providing the backup schedule also. So more than that, there are various useful features are available there. What for na, whenever any fail occurs, we want to recover our images. Whenever something happen, crash happen, we want to have the images backup. So in order to do that, these Rackspace cloud providers are creating a backup schedule. And also this is very helpful for the customers to customize our images. Okay, so here these kind of images na, what they are saying na, they are referring this one as a gold server images. Gold server images. So what is the meaning of these na? So here we can have if the servers of that particular any configurations are to be instantiated frequently, so that kind of images, so the particular images which we are producing to configure instantly to store in the particular server, and that images are referred as this said to be the gold server images. So this is a special one which is provided by the Rackspace cloud provider. So still in this slide, they are talking about the cloud servers. So already we saw that this Rackspace people are providing the three offering. One among is the cloud server. So what this cloud server can do na, they can run through this Rackspace cloud control panel, which is a graphical user interface manner. And this is a API. Already we know about the RESTful interface. What is meant by RESTful interface? Representational interface, where we will have a n number of URL, and we will have interactions with the cloud provider through the customer website or something else. And these people will send the request, and in turn they will send the response through for the various URL. We have seen one of the images also in the RESTful interface. URL 1, URL 2, URL 3 goes on likewise, and there will be interactions between them which will be satisfied. Likewise, here this Rackspace cloud control panel also providing the RESTful interface. So here not only that, they have to generate now. We will be requesting some of the resources. What will happen? They have to manage, they have to report it, they have to generate a bill for us. So many functions they have to provide through some of the control panel by this server, Rackspace cloud provider server. So for that, what these people are doing na, they are providing a various support material for that, which includes this developer resource, knowledge base, forums, live chat. So if you want to have a live chat with the particular people, Rackspace cloud server people, we can interact with those people, and we can inquire about the n number of resources, and we can have any knowledge base resources, and we can know about the billing and reporting functions also. Actually, this is an open source one where any customer can be interacted with that provider. And also these people are providing the C++, any high level languages, Ruby, Python. So these also are considered in the Rackspace approved binding. Apart from that, these people are providing an authenticated API which uses this HTTPX header, where we can create the get the instance virtual machines. So how they are providing the security na? These securities are provided with the private and public keys. So here how they are balancing na, automatically the load will be balanced. The Rackspace cloud provider people have designed in such a way that these processes are automated and secured. They are secured balanced automatically, secured automatically, and also initiated from Rackspace cloud control panel or the cloud server API. Okay, so here what they are doing na, that particular amount of resources raised up or raised down, that measurement is also calculated by this cloud server. Either it is in a online or offline. So sometimes what we will do now, we will develop a program in a offline, and we would like to execute it in the online. So such kind of facility is also available in the Rackspace. Okay, so here not only that, any disk space, RAM, CPU allotment, so that kind of resources also is able to get it from the cloud server. So here they will be acting as a load balancer also, load balancer. So that we will be able to balance our load, and it is a very easy readability, accessible packages and programming languages, API, so on so. Okay, so actually what they are saying now, this is a beta versions of the cloud balancing product. Actually they are following the beta version of the cloud load balancing product. There they are providing the full load balancing solutions. So how they are providing this persistent storage na, through the RAID and disk storage, and because of this they are able to follow the data persistency in a better functioning mode, this Rackspace cloud provider.